Hello, amazing teachers. Welcome to another simple but powerful idea to make your classroom come alive with learning. Today, we're talking about how to build a print-rich classroom. A print-rich classroom is one where children are surrounded by words, letters, and sentences, where every wall, corner, and space becomes a tool for reading and discovery. Start with the basics. Label common classroom items like door, chair, table, wall, and window. When learners see these words every day, they begin to recognize letters, spellings, and meanings naturally. Next, create a word wall. Add new words every week, names of objects, animals, actions, or emotions. Use big letters and bright colors to catch attention. You can also make a reading corner filled with storybooks, flashcards, and simple sentences written on cards. Change them often to keep the space fresh and exciting. Invite learners to contribute. Let them write their names, draw pictures, or create labels for their work. When children take part, they feel ownership, and that builds confidence. Finally, remember, a print-rich classroom is not about decoration, it's about communication. Every label, chart, and word becomes a teacher that keeps talking even when you're silent. Let's create classrooms that speak, teach, and inspire, where children see, touch, and read their world every single day. Thank you for watching and for the love you bring to your classrooms. If this video inspired you, please like, share, and leave a comment below with your own classroom ideas. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, practical teaching tips. Together, we grow stronger.